You are now locked in to the latest and the greatest on the Android system. This is the channel that gives you information every day in every way possible. Make sure you go ahead and you hit the like button on your way in. Hit the bell icon as well. And I'll see you right after these quick messages. Peace. Guys, what's going on? It's your boy Serrano and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure you go ahead and you hit the bell icon. Every single like helps the channel. Make sure you guys stay locked in and I'll see you right after this. Peace. We are currently in the unboxing station. Alright, so we do have a package on deck. Let's go ahead and cut it on the outside. Let's go ahead and tear this open. Alright, so the box did sustain some damage, but it looks like we're alright though because the product looks fine. So right here we do have what you can see right here is the Plextone Listen to Your Tunes and Never Miss a Call. Right here you can see right here it does say 1 year's warranty. And wow, look at that design right there. That looks really nice. You can see it does have like these little patterns right there inside, little honeycomb pattern right there, looking like a bee's nest. So that's actually pretty cool. You do see like this metal design right here. Let's look on the bottom right here. You can see it does say Bluetooth 270 Wireless headphones, Bluetooth wireless, the TF card, calls, and you could actually use a cord with these as well. Let's go ahead, look on the bottom. Nothing on the bottom. Let's go ahead, look on this side. Now you can see it's actually crushed. It does say up to 30-hour battery. So wow, that's actually crazy. 30-hour battery life. Look right here. It does say Bluetooth version 4.1. It does show you right here all the audio Bluetooth profiles. You can see the battery capacity is 800 milliamp hour battery. The battery type is lithium-ion battery. You can see the operating distance is about 8 to 10 meters. Headset music time is about 30 hours, 40% volume. Also for the headset talk time about 40 hours at 40% volume. Right here, your standby time is approximately 360 hours. Wow. And then right here, charging time is about 2 hours. And then the charging input is about 5 volts and 500 milliamp hours. So let's see right here. You do get a quick start guide right here, which gives you different instructions. Let's go ahead and just place this off to the side really quickly. We might come back to it if we need anything for reference. Let's go ahead and just pull these out of the box. So you can see the box is completely empty. Let's go ahead and just place that to the rear. And now we're going to take a look at these are in all white. So I did get the all white color right here. These are the Plextones. Let's go ahead and take this out of the plastic. And now we can see, so this wasn't metal, this is actually plastic, a really flexible plastic. And right here, these are really flexible, super flexible. Whoa, so those are like, this is leather right here on the top, so you can see just the craftsmanship is really nice. You can see that right there. All the little sewing stitches, every single detail. And let's go over to the other side. And now you can see it does say right on this side, and it does say left on that side for your own personal direction. Right here, whoa, you can see the logo right there, and then you're getting that honeycomb pattern I was talking about, and that actually looks really cool. You can see that these cups look really soft. You can see the leather texture right here as well. The craftsmanship looks really good. Let me pull that down, and you can see you might be able to replace these if you so desired. Right here you can see there is a headphone jack, a microphone, volume. Not sure what that thing is right there. This looks like a button that you can use. Also, you can see the volume down button. On the other cup right here, you can see the USB connector. So these look like they're gonna be pretty decent. I mean, these have a really nice design actually, and they're really flexible, which is really cool. I've never seen a design like this before. They look really beefy, like as far as these cans right here. I'm definitely looking to trying these out, and I'm definitely liking the overall look and just build quality. Now you can see we do have a connector to actually hook it up when we're running out of charge or anything like that, but the 30 hours of playtime is on 40% is what they're claiming. Is actually pretty cool. You can see the USB to type A connector right here. Let's go ahead and put that off to the side, and then you are getting a case, like a little carrying pouch, and this is pretty big right here. This is actually pretty big. It doesn't have a logo on it, so it's like a standard little pouch, but you could actually throw those in there and then tie up the drawstring like that as such. So let's go ahead and I really want to connect these to my device. I can't wait. So make sure you guys stay locked in. Don't go anywhere, because this is where the good part happens. So make sure you guys stay locked in. Now the BT270 CSRs are amazing when it comes to quality. You can see right here, those cups, those cans that you're getting for each ear are packed with at least an inch or like 3/4 of an inch right there of just straight up padding, which is soft to the touch and extremely pleasant when it's on your ear. The quality right here that you're getting is extremely durable and looks really nice. You can see the quality is really good. They also do have really good highs, lows, and mids and bass. Look at the structure right here, as you can see along the edges of the overall design, and it's actually really beautiful. Alright guys, so let's try these on and see how they fit. So they actually feel alright. I definitely need to adjust them. So you can see right here, you do get the option to adjust them right here, which is pretty cool. Now let's try them on. Alright, so these actually feel like you're not even wearing anything on your ears when you put them on. They're like, they weigh pretty much close to nothing. They're really lightweight. And so one of the really good things about these headphones is that you'll barely have any ear fatigue after a long time because of how lightweight and how soft these are right here. You're also getting that swivel right here to actually adjust it. And you do get this little another swivel right here for a little bit of more accuracy when it's on your ear right here. So that's what it's called. It's called the BT270. So let's go ahead, click that button right here, BT. All right, we're locked in now. So now let's go to get some music popping with these and see how it's gonna sound. Yo guys, these are the budget kings right here. These are by far the loudest budget headphones I've ever used in my life. That's full volume. You can't put them on your head at full volume. If you're looking for headphones with a lot of bass, really high highs, some good lows, some good bids, but really high highs, really good bass, great comfort, excellent battery life, 30 hours for one day, straight through. So you're gonna get through a whole day. The standby is 360 hours. Which is crazy. The build on these is actually really good. Really impressive with the build, the comfort. These cups are really good, and the sound from these headphones, it sounds like you're paying for $300 headphones, based on the quality of them. Now these are some, I'm not even gonna, just to say the least, these are I think the best headphones I've ever heard in my life. Pretty much all I can say is that these headphones are gonna knock your socks off. So that's it for the Plextone BT270 CSR Bluetooth headphones. If you found this video helpful in any way possible, make sure you go ahead and hit the like button. Every single like helps the channel, so make sure you get notified. All you have to do is hit the like button and the bell icon so you can get notified when new videos will release to the channel. Make sure you stay locked in, and thank you for watching. I definitely appreciate every last one of you. It's your boy Serrano, and if you found this video helpful in any way possible, hit that like button. And in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending where you are, have a great night. Make sure you stay locked in, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.